Alright, let us do some logarithmic differentiation. Alright, so let's just set up this camera like so. So we're going to start with question 9 of the Weber sign, which is in fact y equals tan x raised to the power of 8 on x. So the first step, because this is logarithmic differentiation, we're going to have to take some logs, yeah? Let's do that right now. So we've got ln of y. We're going to do it to both sides, obviously. 10 x 8 over ax. Now, let's turn that music down. Now then, we can use our property of logs to bring this 8 over x out the front. Ln of y remains where it is. 8 over x. Ln tan x. Alright, so now what we do is we take the derivative of both sides. So this side will be 1 over y, and because it's y, we got to use implicit differentiation. Now, this side, if you'll see here, we've actually got two functions, so we're going to have to use the product rule. So, I like to do it like this, just so there's no, like, confusion of which one's the function, which one's the derivative. So product rule is this. Cool. Alright, so our function 1, which we f of x, we'll call that 8 on x. The derivative of that, you know, if you got 8 over x, it's actually 8x squared minus 1, so we can just use the power rule there. So the derivative will be 8x minus 2 times minus 1. G of x, ln of tan x. That's fine. So g of x derivative will be 1 over tan x, and we got to use the chain rule here, so we got to times it by the derivative of tan x, which is sec 2x. Beautiful. Now then, let's just neaten that up and like write it out properly. So we've got 1 over y dy dx equals minus 8 minus x squared, oh sorry, x minus 2 I should say. Now that will be times our ln tan of x, which is fine, and product rule, so that would be plus 8 on x times this one, which will be, we can rewrite that as sec 2x over tan x. Cool. Now we want to get the dy dx on its own, so we're going to multiply by y over there, which will be sweet. So to be honest, we don't have too much left to do, but what we will do is we'll substitute y in for what it tells us y is all the way up here. So that'll be tan x to the 8 on x. So let's just rewrite this whole thing. Dy dx is going to equal minus 8. I'm going to write this as over x squared now. I don't know, I just think it's easier to remember. Times ln tan x. You can take out that multiplication sign if you want, but you know, it just helps me remember what's going on. So we've got 8 sec squared x here over x tan x. That's all going to be times by our y, which if you remember will just be our original function. So that'll be tan x to the 8 on x. And yeah, that's the problem. So give that a run through, see how you go. Message me if you don't get it. Like, happy to fucking run you through it, etc. Yeah, good luck. Just fucking nod it out, hey. Just get it done. Hey? Alright, ta-ta.